Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I am Aziz Chenna, a certified PMP and Primavera Master Trainer with over 20 years of experience in information technology, project management, and professional training. I know it's been a while since the last upload. I've been tied up with the project's work and mentoring sessions, but I'm glad to be back and excited to restart this channel with more practical, high value content. Starting with today's focus session on the execution phase in Primavera P6, I'll be discussing uh, the already developed project plan, which I have developed using the Primavera P6 in order to save the time. And then I'll create first I'll maintain the baseline and then I'll assign that baseline to the project. After assigning the baseline, I'll update the project progress and show you the actual numbers of the project. So let's start with the already developed project. I have created a project with the name of Primavera P6 execution phase. I have used the default calendar is standard 5 days calendar. We can see here standard 5 days working calendar. And I have created WBS with two work packages, initiation and planning phase, development and deployment phase. And I've added two activities in each phase. So you can see here, the project start date is 5th May 2025. Its type is start milestone. Then task 1 is dependent on project start. You can see the predecessor here, sign finish to start. Then task 2 is connected with the task 1 and task 3 is connected with task 2 and 4 is connected with 3 and the 4 project end is connected with task 4. I have assigned 5 days duration to each task and project start and end are the milestone activities. So before maintaining and assigning the baseline, we can see the resources which I have assigned here. An assignment tab. I have assigned IT lab, that is type of non-labor, and the project manager and product owner, both are type of type labor. And on task 2, I have assigned one material type resource that is stationery. And these all resources are assigned price per unit and maximum units per time are set here. So you can see I have used these 4 resources like project manager, product owner, IT lab, and stationery in this project. So let's start by maintaining the baseline. So you have to click on project menu. And first, we'll create the baseline by using the maintain baseline option. Click on add, save a copy of the current project as a new baseline. Select this option and click OK. A baseline has been created. You can rename this baseline also. And you can assign the baseline type. Say this is my initial plan. And you can note the date here. This is 4th May 2025. Close this, and now I'll assign this baseline to the project through the same menu, project menu. Go into the project baseline drop-down and select this baseline, assign to the project, and then same baseline assigned to the user. Click OK. After maintaining and assigning baseline, we have to add the baseline bar here that is which is not added by default. So right click here and click on bars and just check this bar here, baseline bar, and you can see the color here in order to, highlight this. Click OK. Baseline bar will appear here. You can see here, baseline bar. Now, I have also created a layout, a specific layout for the execution. I have added here a few columns related to the baseline, like baseline project start. This is your planned start. And again, you can see here the baseline project finish. And also I have added a few columns related to the execution, like schedule percent complete, the schedule percent complete, the plan percent complete, and activity percent complete. That will be the actual percent complete of the activity. And you can see here the cost related columns like budgeted labor cost, that's the planned cost, budgeted total cost, budgeted this is baseline project total cost and budgeted total cost, material cost, and budgeted expense cost. So please note down that the budgeted total cost is the sum of budgeted labor cost, budgeted non-labor cost, material cost, and budgeted expense cost. So these four columns will be added and added into the budgeted total cost. And now you can see the budgeted total cost is equal to the project a baseline budget cost because there's no change so far. So now I'm going to update the project progress. So you have to focus on these two columns, that is schedule percent complete and activity percent complete. So if I want to update the project progress till 12th of May, 12th of May. So we have to click on tools option and then click on update progress, and select the new data date here. As I said, I'll update the project progress till 12th of May. So I have to select the next date, that is 13th May. Spotlight will highlight the activities which comes under these, which are happening between these dates. So you can verify these activities and click on apply. Progress has been updated here successfully, and you can see the bar here, the Gantt chart here. It's showing the actual progress. This is the green one is showing the progress, remaining work, and the yellow line here is showing the baseline part. So I'm going to add few columns related to the actual cost here. For example, you have to add here the actual labor cost and actual material cost, actual non-labor, actual expense cost, and actual total cost. So see here, the project progress schedule percent complete should be 100% for task project start, and 100% for task one, and 20% for task 2, and the activity percent complete is also same as I have applied the duration percent complete here. So the total project completion here is should be the 41%. And the phase wise, the first phase completion should be 82.995%. And you can also verify the actual cost here. The actual expense cost is 0. Actual non-labor is 480 because I have assigned the cost here $25 per hour to the project manager and $25 per hour to the project product owner. IT lab is $10 per hour, and stationery is $5 per packet. So based on these unit prices, your cost has been calculated here. We can also see the resources cost by using the resource assignment window here. We have used all 4 resources in our project, so we can analyze here the cost as well. So I have to add the column here, customize, click on cost, and click on budgeted cost to the planned cost, and also actual cost here. So task 1, the budgeted cost was $1,000, and actual is 1,000 because task 1 is 100% complete, and for task 1, that is again task 1 is completed, and task 2 is 20% complete. So the budgeted was $400, and actual cost is 80. And project manager is assigned on these 3 tasks, and he or she has like project managers work on task 1. And here uh, uh, task 4 is not executed yet. Task 2 is executed. IT lab is used here, so $80 for IT lab is also appearing here. So you can see the resource-wise cost here. You can analyze the activity-wise cost here. You can see the phase-wise cost on the bands here. So these are the basics of project execution. Hopefully, in next video, I'll cover more about the execution, including the multiple baselines and variance analysis and the earned value and all other things related to the execution. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like the video, and also comment on this with your feedback, and share as other can get benefit from this video. Thank you very much.